Drive testing is a commonplace for wireless operators in order to determine UE acceptance testing. Tests are carried out using a vehicle with equipment installed and a device or antennas connected to a real network. However, requires lots of resources, both human and material, and it's very time consuming. Each drive test is simply unique and cannot be repeated accurately, which poses problems on the effectiveness of drive testing on solving real-life network or device problems. But imagine you can rerun a drive test and get exactly the same results in a repetitive manner, so that you could check how some changes on the UE play a role on performance. Imagine you can rerun the exact same drive test that you did with device A, but with a different device. Imagine you can do all that in a lab from your desk while sleeping, overnight. It is not a dream. Welcome to EMITE VDT-OTA test systems. VDT-OTA is performed in 4 steps. 1. A real drive test log file is obtained or reused from your existing database. VDT-OTA works by reproducing real drive tests on the lab for any available device in a repetitive laboratory manner. The end user can start by making a brand new drive test or by reusing saved drive test files. 2. Part of the drive test log is converted onto emulation files using Spirent Virtual Drive Test Conversion tool. 3. The VDT-OTA test system is calibrated using VDT-CT converted files and the drive test UE device. The converted drive test log files are used in this stage to calibrate the OTA test system, consisting on a channel emulator and a reverberation chamber by EMITE. 4. VDT-OTA measurements can be performed for any wireless device in the lab. Once the VDT-OTA test system has been calibrated for a specific drive test, the user can run a new measurement to verify that the results will be very close to those obtained in the drive test, and from there, test any new device response to that same drive test. Previous to performing VDT-OTA realistic testing, the test system has to be calibrated. For that purpose, open the VDT-OTA main window and select calibration as the operating mode. Next, the converted files obtained from the Spirent conversion tool have to be loaded into the EMITE GUI software. Then, click Run to configure the ENOD-B network and start the calibration process. A graphical message will pop up to show the RF connection between the ENOD-B and the reverberation chamber. Attaching the DUT to the test network is an easy task with EMITE test systems. Simply have the correct test SIM card on the device, turn on the device under test, and place it on the turntable inside the chamber. It will get connected within seconds. Remember that for better accuracies, the VDT-OTA calibration has to be done using the same UE that was used to obtain the drive test log. The VDT-OTA calibration will provide an unique calibration file as a result. Once the test system is calibrated, running a new VDT-OTA test is pretty easy. Open the VDT-OTA main window at EMITE GUI software and select Measurement as the operating mode. Load the calibration file for the specific drive test log obtained in the previous step. Select the figure of merits to be measured, RSRP, throughput, or both. During the attachment process of the UE to the test network, the user can check or modify the SIM card parameters in the DUT. Turning on and off the DUT airplane mode helps reducing attachment times. Once connected, the test system runs the measurement for you in a fully automated manner. EMITE VDT-OTA provides, for the first time worldwide, a repetitive real network drive test over the air for any wireless device in a lab. With EMITE VDT-OTA, the UE or network overload functionality over the air can be tested. Since VDT-OTA employs drive test files, it is just like a drive test, not realistic but simply real, and in your lab.